second lecture in thermo class, and this video is very, very short. I just want to bring us back to the. I just want to bring us back to our Moodle page. There were some problems with the vodcasts last week that I had a couple of students identify. So everything is now up to speed and everything is accessible. So what I want to do first is to draw your attention to our Moodle page. And if we take a look at the Thermo Moodle page, you'll see, oh, I hate this, navigation, there we go. You see that we have the homework template, which, as I said, we're going to be using for our homework, the way that I'd like you to turn your homework in. We also have the thermodynamic property tables here, which we won't be using until chapter 3, but it is available to us. And then we have thermo lecture number 1, which is actually what we talked about last time. And then now we have this lecture where we're going to begin chapter 1. Now, if you look at the web page, anytime you have this link, this little chain link, that's where the lectures are going to be. So we actually have 2 lectures that cover the entirety of chapter 1. The lecture for today, which is lecture number 2, is actually quite long. It's over an hour long, and then this lecture is a little bit shorter. But there were some logistical problems in getting these posted, and now those logistical problems have been corrected. Now, this right here where it says the complete list of homework problems for chapter 1, this is all of the problems that you will be doing for chapter 1. So the process will be to watch the 2 lectures, and from that information you're going to be able to do all of these homework problems. If you're in class with me, I'm also of course available to answer any questions that you have, and if you're not in class with me, please email me and I will help you. So chapter 1 is mostly introductory concepts, and then we learn we're going to kind of learn how this class is going to work and some basic concepts of thermodynamics. And then in the second lecture, we'll talk about the measurement of pressure, which is referred to as manometry. So the basic assignment is watch the course lecture we're doing right now, the intro lecture, which you should have watched by now or been in class for, the lecture that I'm giving you right now, this 4 or 5 minute lecture, then lecture number 1 and lecture number 2, or lecture number 2 and lecture number 3 from chapter 1, which cover the entirety of chapter 1, and then do the homework problems, which will be due on January 23rd, which is a week from tomorrow. So if you have any, oh, and also let's just talk about submitting homework. When you submit your homework for chapter 1, you will go to this page, and mine looks a little bit different, but you'll hit anytime I have something that you need to turn in, the key is on the Moodle page. It will have the word submit, okay? So submit, there'll be 8 homework assignments, roughly, homework assignments for chapters 1 through 8. You'll submit them all at the same time, and I would like them all to be submitted through Moodle using a PDF file, okay? And if you have trouble with that, I do have a scanner outside of my office, so I can help you with that. Or there's a program, an app that you can put on your phone called Office Lens. That's super. That will just do everything you need it to do. But I think I told you last time, it takes a while to get it up and running. But after you get up and running, it's perfect. So do you guys have any questions for me at this point? All right, well, that's the end of this lecture. So the next thing that I would like you to do is to watch Thermo Lecture 2, and lecture number 2 and lecture number 3, and email me or come to class with questions. All right, thanks.